classes. I am Anshika. Today in this video we will continue solution chapter. So in this video we will study about these topics: colligative properties of solution, semi-permeable membrane, osmosis, reverse osmosis, osmotic pressure, law of osmotic pressure. So let's start it. So now let's talk about colligative properties of solution. What is colligative properties of solution? The physical properties of solution which depend upon number of solute or mole fraction of solute is known as colligative properties of solution. Example: osmosis, lowering of vapor pressure, avulsion of boiling point, depression of freezing point. So now let's talk about semi-permeable membrane. What is semi-permeable membrane? Those membrane which allow passage of only solvent molecules is called semi-permeable membrane. Means कुछ membranes ऐसी होती हैं जिससे सिर्फ solute particles पास होते हैं, solid particles पास नहीं होते हैं, उसे semi-permeable membrane बोलते हैं. Okay? Example: animal membrane, cell membrane, natural membrane, etc. So now, what is osmosis? Spontaneous flow of solvent from pure solvent to solution or dilute solution to concentrate solution through a semi-permeable membrane process is known as osmosis. Means अगर हम लोग किसी भी चीज को dilute से concentrate बनाते हैं with the help of semi-permeable membrane is known as osmosis. So now let's talk about reverse osmosis. What is reverse osmosis? When the external pressure which applied on solution is larger than osmotic pressure, then solvent particles allowed to passes from solution to pure solution or concentration solution to dilute solution through a semi-permeable membrane. This process is known as reverse osmosis. So now, what is osmotic pressure? The external pressure which applied to protect the process of osmosis is known as osmotic pressure. It is denoted by P or pi. It is equals to nRT by V. So now let's talk about want of osmotic pressure of solution. First one is Boyle's want of law. Second, Charles want of law. Third, want of equation of solution. So now let's talk about Boyle's want of law. According to this law, at constant temperature, osmotic pressure of dilute solution is directly proportional to the concentration of solution. So P directly proportional to C at constant temperature T. जब लोग proportional को टाइम तो constant आएगा K. So P is equals to Kc. C is equals to 1 by V for 1 mole. So put the value P is equals to K by V. Then cross multiply. So PV is equals to K. So now second one is Charles Quantoff law. So according to this law, at constant concentration of osmotic pressure of solution is directly proportional to absolute temperature. So P proportional T at constant C. So P equal to KT. Then P by T is equals to K. Then third one is want of equation. So according to Boyle's want of law, P is directly proportional to C at constant temperature. This is equation first. Then according to Charles want of law, P proportional to T at constant C. This is equation second. So from equation first and second, P proportional to CT. Then proportional टाइम constant आएगा K. So P equal to KCT for 1 mole. K is equals to R and C is equals to 1 by V. So put the value P is equals to R 1 by V T. So PV is equals to RT. For number of moles, PV is equals to nRT. then cross multiply, so P equal to nRT by V. So now let's talk about isotonic solution. What is isotonic solution? The solution having same osmotic pressure at the same temperature are known as isotonic solution. P1 is equals to P2. Then hypertonic solution. The solution having higher osmotic pressure at the same temperature are known as hypertonic solution. Hypertonic solution P1 greater than P2. So now let's talk about isotonic solution. What is isotonic solution? Those solution having same osmotic pressure at the same temperature are known as isotonic solution. P1 is equals to P2. Then hypertonic solution. The solution having higher osmotic pressure at the same temperature are known as hypertonic solution. Hypertonic P1 greater than P2. So now let's talk about hypotonic solution. What is hypotonic solution? The solution having lower osmotic pressure at the same temperature is known as hypotonic solution. P1 is greater than P2, so P2 is hypotonic. So remaining part of this chapter we will continue in next video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, so please like, comment and also subscribe my channel.